Hi everyone, this is Kelsey from ShopVue, and I'll be walking you through our WIP status dashboard. This dashboard has two sheets, one that focuses on order location and another that focuses on order status. In the order locator sheet, we have a high-level table here that has a list of orders and steps, as well as associated part, routed department and work center, and quantity ready. If the order has been started, there's a little indicator here to represent that. On the right side of the dashboard, we have some information like the number of started and not started orders, quantity ready, the number of ready hours, as well as quantity remaining and estimated remaining hours. From the order locator below, we can see the quantity ready being routed to each work center. We can also take a look at the number of estimated hours routed to each work center. Jumping into the next sheet, we have order status. Up at the top, we have the same text boxes that we saw in the order locator sheet. We also have an order header table. And this table here has the same started indicator, as well as the list of orders and description, part and part description, estimated hours and due date. If there is activity recorded on an order after the due date, it's highlighted in red to warn us. We have quantity due, order status, and first and last activity. If I select an order, we'll see the order steps table get filled out. I have little check mark indicators here to indicate that the step is complete. We have our order and step description, routed work center, and actual work center. If there's a routing deviation, there's a flag icon there to represent that. Actual machine, quantity ready, quantity good and scrap, step status, and first and last activity.